Dr. Connors.
Hi. Hi. Hey.
Hi, Amy Townsend.
Erin Connors.
Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Thank you for letting me come in.
No worries.
So.
How do we do this?
Oh, today's really to go over scheduling, if that's cool.
Oh, I have never been interviewed for a magazine before.
It's tall.
I know, right? Do you know who that is?
The basketball player?
That's LeBron James.
Oh, I think I saw him in one of those soda commercials.
He's like the basketball player. Do you follow sports?
Oh my God, sports? I love them.
Great. What's your favorite team?
I like the smaller teams, like not the big leagues. I like the Long Island Mediums, the Acorn Pine Cones, Fire Island Penguins. Oh, I like the Cincinnati Thunder Wizards,
You can stop. You don't follow sports.
the Orlando Blooms.
You can stop.